Hi, I'm Todd Cook. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. To get the best of both worlds and provide new properties and manufacturing advantages, you might want to try insert molding. With this process, you can combine metals and plastics and also get reliable, permanently attached assemblies right from the mold. We'll look at both briefly. Let's take medical needles, for example. These are called cannula because they're not solid, they're actually hollow. There's a threaded connector at the end which can be added by inserting the cannula into the mold and molding that threaded item, called a hub most of the time in the industry, together into a single component that can be ejected from the mold and used together. This is a permanent bond, but it is not necessarily a chemical bond. If you have similar polymers, let's say a tube and a hub, you can get a permanent chemical bond during the molding process. But even with dissimilar materials, such as a metal and a polymer, the polymer shrinks when cooling, and if it's designed properly, can trap this part to make it impossible to separate them, making a usable assembly and the molded part at the same time. This combination saves labor because you use the labor of the operator of the injection molding machine to create the assemblies, or in an automated case, you could actually use a robot and you could even get less labor content. So those are really good in higher volumes. Knowing how to combine polymers with dissimilar materials to create insert molded assemblies, that's working knowledge. That's what you get from watching us here at Polymer E-Club Ask the Cook. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you appreciate the content. You can follow a link in the description to learn more about the Polymer E-Club and how to get involved. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer E-Club Ask the Cook. Thanks for watching.